Ever wondered what full coverage auto insurance really means? Well, buckle up because we're about to take you on a journey through the ins and outs of this all-encompassing insurance option. Full coverage auto insurance isn't just one policy, but a blend of several. It's a robust safety net for your vehicle, providing protection for a wide range of scenarios. The key components of full coverage auto insurance are like the three legs of a stool, each one critical to the overall stability. First, there's liability coverage protecting you from the cost of damage to others' property or injuries. Then we have collision coverage, covering damage to your own vehicle from an accident. Lastly, comprehensive coverage steps in for damage from incidents other than collisions, such as theft, fire, or natural disasters. These three facets work together to give you peace of mind on and off the road. Now that you understand what full coverage insurance is, let's dive into how it works. So how does full coverage car insurance work? Well, full coverage insurance is like a safety net for your vehicle. It's a blend of different types of coverage that protect you from various financial risks. For starters, it includes collision coverage, which pays for damages to your car if you hit another vehicle or object. Secondly, there's comprehensive coverage, which covers non-collision damages like theft, vandalism, or natural disasters. Now, let's say you're involved in an accident with another driver who's uninsured or doesn't have enough insurance to cover the damages. That's where uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage comes in. And don't forget about liability coverage, which safeguards you from financial loss if you're at fault in an accident and cause damage to someone else's property or injury to someone else. So in essence, full coverage auto insurance works by providing a wide safety net, ensuring you're covered in various situations. Now you know how full coverage auto insurance works, but why should you consider it? What are the benefits of full coverage auto insurance, you might ask? Well, let's dive in. One of the key advantages is financial protection. Full coverage auto insurance safeguards your wallet from the unexpected costs that come with accidents, theft, and other unforeseen events. It's like having a safety net that catches you when you fall. Then there's peace of mind. You can drive with confidence knowing that you're covered, no matter what happens on the road. Whether it's a fender bender in the parking lot or a tree branch falling on your car during a storm, full coverage has got you covered. Finally, full coverage auto insurance takes care of damages not caused by a collision. Yes, you heard that right. It covers losses from events that are out of your control, like fire, vandalism, or hitting an animal. With these benefits in mind, you might be wondering about the cost of full coverage versus liability car insurance. What's the cost difference between full coverage and liability car insurance? This question is often asked by car owners who are trying to decide between these two types of insurance. Full coverage car insurance is typically more expensive than liability insurance, but why is that? Well, the answer lies in what each type of insurance covers. Liability insurance is more of a basic coverage. It primarily pays for the other person's vehicle repairs and medical expenses if you're at fault in an accident. On the other hand, full coverage insurance goes a step further. It not only covers the expenses of the other party, but also your own vehicle repairs or replacement, regardless of who's at fault. It even covers damages from events beyond your control, like theft or natural disasters. So you're paying for a broader protection scope with full coverage insurance, and that's why it costs more. So full coverage auto insurance might be pricier, but what happens when you need to make a claim? Ever wondered how the claims process works in full coverage auto insurance? Well, let's dive into it. The journey begins when an unfortunate incident occurs, like an accident or a theft. The first step is to contact your insurance provider as soon as possible. Once you've reported the incident, an insurance adjuster steps in. Their role is to assess the damage and estimate repair costs. After the adjuster's report, the insurer then evaluates your claim based on your policy's terms and conditions. Now here's where full coverage shines. It covers both your vehicle's damage and the other party's, if you're at fault. So, whether it's your car's broken windshield or a dented bumper, full coverage has got you covered. Once your claim is approved, the insurance company pays for the repairs directly to the repair shop, or reimburses you if you've already paid. Filing a claim might seem daunting, but it's relatively straightforward with full coverage auto insurance. Still confused about the difference between full coverage and liability car insurance? Let's clear that up. Full coverage car insurance, as the name suggests, offers comprehensive protection. That includes collision coverage for damages from accidents, comprehensive coverage for non-collision damages like theft or natural disasters, and liability coverage for injuries or damages you cause to others. On the other hand, liability car insurance is the bare minimum required by law in most states. It covers the costs if you're responsible for an accident and need to pay for the other party's medical bills or property damage. However, it doesn't cover your own vehicle's damages or your own medical bills. The cost varies too. Full coverage insurance, with its wide-ranging protection, comes with a higher price tag than liability insurance. But remember, the cost of not having enough coverage in an accident could be much higher. Now that you understand the difference between full coverage and liability car insurance, it's time to decide which one is right for you. So, should you get full coverage or liability car insurance? That, my friends, is the million-dollar question. Over the past several minutes, we've delved into the nuts and bolts of both types. We've discussed the comprehensive protection that full coverage offers, covering not only the other party's damages, but also your own. We've also examined liability insurance, a more cost-effective option that covers damages you cause to others. We've compared the costs, weighed the benefits, and even walked through the claims process. And while full coverage may seem like the best route, it's essential to remember that it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Your financial situation, the value of your vehicle, your comfort level with risk, all these factors should influence your decision. Remember, choosing the right auto insurance is about balancing cost and coverage to meet your unique needs. Be sure to do your research and ask the right questions. Good luck.